continually impressed with this year's outbreak. It's probably too far away with this camera to see the cicadas on the branches up there, but they're continually flying around, making noise, looking for that certain someone to share reproductive essence with. It's amazing that Mother Nature has developed these to come out every 17 years. And they use the trees as part of their life cycle. The adults lay eggs in the trees, and then they hatch, and then the larvae come out and feed for a little while on the trees, and then fall to the ground or crawl down to the ground and go into the ground. And that's where they stay for 17 years. Between now and 17 years from now, you will not see this species again for 17 years. That's what's pretty amazing. And by the number that's here in Gallatin, there's got to be millions, you know. I think there's several states where these species are emerging, and so it's pretty impressive. I mean, billions, millions and billions just here in Gallatin, so imagine. The other video I had was over there at that mulberry tree with the black berries on it, and they're still thick over there, and the berries are good to eat. I don't think they eat them, but they're kind of like a blackberry, but they don't have a lot of powerful flavor. They're pretty mild, but they are sweet. So that's the cicada update in Gallatin. And one of them just said, "See you in 17 years." I don't know how I understood what he was saying, but pretty cool. Adios.